Hi, everybody. Hello, and welcome to the second episode of Eat with a Beat, Cooking with Rev Chris. I hope everybody's been staying sane during this quarantine, and it's because of the quarantine that I came up with today's recipe. Being stuck inside with the threat of this virus, we have to make sure that our vitamins are being nourished and replenified with what we're consuming. So I came up with this wonderful, quick, and easy, healthy breakfast, okay? So here's how we're going to do it, okay? Okay, to start, let's get an empty pint glass here. Let's get one of those halo oranges and a banana, okay? So let's start by cutting the orange in half. And we're going to juice that orange directly into our pint glass. Ah, got squirted in the eye. Okay, let's get the other half of this orange in here. And this is going to be so healthy, and you're going to feel revitalized and rejuvenated. Okay, now we're going to peel the banana, all right? Okay, so we got our juice of one of those clementine oranges. We got a peeled banana. Now, to finish up, all you need to do is open a beer and pour the beer on top of the orange juice. And now, eat your banana while you drink your beer. And this is a really, like I said, healthy, nutritious breakfast, chock full of vitamins, minerals, and it's just a great way to enrich your quarantine life. Until next time, this has been Eat with a Beat, Cooking with Rev Chris.